Hello guys, welcome back to new video. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can draw cute glass of water. So if you want to draw cute glass of water, this video is very useful for you. In simple step we will learn how you can draw glass of water. So first of all you have to make a underline, like you have to draw the line, curve line like you see in video, because you have to draw glass. That's why you have to first of all make curve line. After that, when you make curve line like you are seeing in video, I am making curve line. After that you have to draw one straight line below it. After that you have draw a straight line below it. Then you can draw like you are watching in video, and then you can draw one straight line like horizontal line, so that it will be seems like glass. After completing all these step, next step is our you have to draw it from pencil if you want to draw. Otherwise you can use a skin pen, and you can also color it, there is no problem. After that you can darken the with pencil like you are seeing in video. I have dark it with pencil only. If you want to color it, or you can use black pen also, it will be seem little bit beautiful. After covering all these, you have to draw every line into black color if you want to draw. After all these step, now next step is, next you have to draw like upper line from the curve line. You have to join the two line. You have, what you seeing in video, that I have joined it, so it seems like glass. After that you draw one line below it, and then after below it means you have to draw one line below it, then second line, third line. And you can color it also, or you can use skin pen like I already said in video. If you want to use pencil you can use, there is no huge problem. Next one, you have to draw a circle inside it. So we will be drawing circle inside it, and you can also use a sketch pen, but I will be doing with only pencil only. Whole drawing I will be making just with pencil only. So if you are using a pencil, then it will be good, but if you want to color it, then it will be seems better. After that you had dark with pencil. Here you can use mom color also, or sketch pen also, but I will be coloring with just pencil only, because I have already said this video will be using only pencil. After coloring one side whole with dark color, now the next step is you have to draw one more circle beside this. Like I am first draw this all and darken with the pencil. So now we have completed this one circle. Now you have to draw a second circle, and you can below draw it, or beside this you can also draw it. Like you have to draw like this curve line which is not joining, just and below, above, and above it you can also draw this triangle. After these all step, you now you have to draw a star. Like you have to draw a star. If you want to draw a star, it will be seems beautiful, so I will be drawing with a star only. So you can also draw in it a star and color it with pencil. I will dark only with the pencil only, but if you want you can color it with pen. I already. Now we have come to the end of the video, and finally our all step is completed. Thus now drawing a little bit, it seems beautiful, a star outside the glass. So if you want to draw it, you can draw it, but our whole glass of water is completed. It seems beautiful as you see in video, and if you color it, then it more beautiful, and more it seems beautiful. So finally all these steps are completed. So if you have any doubt regarding this in any step, you can comment it, or you can watch the video again if you want to draw with me. And just I have colored it with pencil only. You can use a sketch pen. If you have a sketch pen, then no problem is there. And I am coloring with this pencil only. So if you have pencil, you can color it, it also seems beautiful. You can use A4 size paper or any drawing paper, whatever you have.